Y'all, hey. So it is Friday fish fry, y'all. My baby wanted some fish and some meatball spaghetti. I don't know if she been on this meatball kick, but we gonna work it out. We gonna have fish, meatballs and spaghetti, garlic bread, and I already made the salad. And yeah, that's what's going on right now. Spaghetti is cooking. Meatballs are cooking. And fish. Okay. Alright, we're gonna let that fry up a little bit more and take that out. But yeah, we got more meatballs to cook. So we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna make some sauce for the meatballs. We got garlic bread, and yeah, I will pick y'all up. Well, maybe I can just sit you guys right here. For a second. Alright, these are ready to come out. Yes, we having some nice crispy fish. And spaghetti. We'll put some more fish in there. My meatballs need turning over. Turn these over some. Let's put some more fish. I didn't have no meal or no fish stuff, and I wasn't going out getting it. So we use the flour, and this is going to be just as good. We are using flour, and it's going to be just as good, y'all. Probably even better. Okay. Right.
No, stop. I'm back.
That's all right, Mama had it.
Okay, you need me to start spaghetti?
Y'all, look at that pasta sauce with the meatballs. Listen, dinner is going to be outstanding, okay? The last of the fish is in there. Pasta sauce with the meatballs. Look at that. My baby did her thing. The fish is almost done. The garlic bread about to go in. And we about to eat. Alright, y'all. I got to clean up a little bit and a little bit. You know I'm hungry if I can't talk right. Listen, I'll call y'all back. I'll be back.
Meatballs?
Alright, y'all. We finna add the pasta. We're gonna add it just like that. We're making our own version of spaghetti. Quit playing. Everybody house do theirs their own way, y'all. Before y'all come for me. Leave my baby alone. Leave my baby alone. This is how she wanted it. This is how we gonna have it. Okay, let me just pour it in. Oh, I got my towel up on my shoulder, G. The sauce for this fish. Where? You seen me right before. That's hers too, which I don't even look the same one here. I need some black pepper and some garlic. A little garlic powder and some black pepper. Listen. Tartar sauce it is. What y'all talking about? It's just toasted perfect. I'm so ready to eat. I was gonna get in the shower, but I'm finna eat first. Then I'm gonna get in the shower and get sleepy. Then the mother. Yes. I am finna make a plate, and I'm using, let me move this out the way because good morning, y'all. Good morning. I wanted to show you guys my new compression socks I got from Amazon. 6 pair, and they are so cute. And I got them for a wide calf. Y'all know my calf is huge. So yeah, what y'all think? They are cute. And they're comfortable. They come all the way. Yeah, they are cute. I'm just waiting on my new uniform to get here. And I will have to get my, I want to get some shoes, work shoes. So for my feet, hey, we are here at TJ Maxx in Menominee. Oh, that's cute. We are here looking at stuff, my baby girl. Oh, that's really cute. Oh, this red one is cute. Oh, Kira. These are cute. Yes, we are here looking. I'm looking. I ain't buying no child. I done paid bills and yeah, that's what it is. Look at the crock bags. This is huge. This for a beach. When we go to the beach. Oh, I like that. Oh, look at the red. That red is pretty, y'all. Look at that red. So cute. Oh, here's the brown and cream and tan section. So cute.
Oh, so cute.
Oh my God. Oh, I actually like this bag right here. This is cute. Yeah. Oh, it got a belt. Oh yeah, I'm back, y'all. They got some cute stuff. Oh, these are adorable. Look at that. So cute. And they got these cute little shovels. I will never use those. Those are too little, flimsy, but they cute. Anyway, they got some cute little things over here. You know, they got this red, white, and blue. Ooh. For your jewelry, oh my goodness, I like this. This one right here is really adorable. I like that. Oh, and then this one down here. That one down there is cute too. We are at the jewelry section, y'all. And I am loving it. I am loving it. That one right there. Look at that. So cute. Oh, I like this one right here. That black. Yes. Oh, these are so cute. Mm-hmm.
Hey there.
Hi. We in the shoe department, y'all. We looking at us some shoes, okay? We is looking at some shoes around here.
These are cute too. She's 35.
Yeah, they got some cute stuff that's really reasonable.
Oh, that's cute.
Mm-hmm. But I'm gonna have to use mine till I can get one. All right, y'all, we are here at Five Below now.
Mama,
Huh?
I'm gonna learn how to build a sound castle, okay?
A sand castle.
Yeah, so I'm gonna need to give me my shovel, my glue kit.
You need a bucket.
Yep. Oh, mama, look, they got this wireless speaker. It's a table.
That's cute.
Oh, you can move the leg.
Yeah, that is really cute. Look here, they got all this Alani stuff that's giving people heart attacks.
Yeah, you saw that little girl
Girl. Like that. Ooh, Kira, look at all they face masks. Hand masks, foot masks, all they little wipes. I need to check and see if my fridge is still working. Lashes, hairspray, hand lotions. Ooh, a brush washing machine. This is cute. Makeup brush washing machine. This is cute. Makeup brushes. Alright, y'all. One of my babies got some flowers, and I'm going to put them in the vase for them. Okay? So I already got the water and ice in there. We're about to put the plant food in there. Put the plant food in there. Okay, put all that in there. Alright, I've seen people do this, and we're going to see how it works. I've seen them like cut the flowers to the length, but they put the sticks back in there, so I'm going to try that. Let's get back to it. Okay. We're definitely finna see how this is going to turn out. Alright, we're just going to stick these in just to fill them up. And let's do the hydrangeas first. We're going to do the hydrangeas first. How did it turn out? Good morning, y'all. It is Monday morning. I am dressed for my new orientation for my new job. I got my other uniform on till my other one come today. So yeah, it is 6:50. I want to get up and get dressed early and be ready. My lunch is ready. I got my bag and yeah, I'm looking kind of cute today. Got my little hair tied down so we can lay down before I leave. But yeah, I am up and ready. So I got this blue outfit with the pockets, the pulled up sleeves, and then I got the pants to match. Yeah, with the little elastic waistband. They are nice and long. So yeah, I wanted to wear that, but we gonna figure it out. All these festivals and things will be starting soon.